Completing multicolor applications with Stahl's CAD-CUT Direct Heat Applied materials couldn't be easier. Let's show you how we do it with fashion film. First, we'll start by positioning and heat pressing the background design. When working with fashion film, the background only requires 2 to 3 seconds to get it to temporarily hold to the garment. And notice how we can remove the backing right away while it's still hot or warm. Next, the crystal clear backing allows for easy alignment of the foreground layer. We position it perfectly into place with its pressure-sensitive backing, and then we heat press both layers together for the full time, temperature, and pressure. In this case, 15 seconds. The reason we tack the bottom layer is it helps to eliminate shrinking, and it helps for alignment of the foreground layer, keeping things very fast and easy. For this two-color design, it took a grand total of 18 seconds. It's that simple. Now let's move on to the next example. Here we're going to combine fashion film with fashion film electric. The initial color here in black is fashion film, and we'll start by tacking that down for just a few seconds as we did in the first example. Remove the liner right away. Then we'll take our fashion film electric and position it directly over top. You'll notice how this is just a partial alignment, so the mylar backing is overlapping on top of the actual film of the background layer. With some heat transfer films, this can create a problem. But with fashion film, we just tack the foreground layer for a couple seconds as well, and you will see a small indent right away. But the nice thing about fashion film is this will go away with one final application. Simply cover it all with a cover sheet, heat press for the full recommended 15 seconds, and the finished result is perfect. No signs of a crease at all. We want to show you another one of our top-selling materials as well, called CAD-CUT Glitter Flake. In this example, we'll complete a 3-color application in just 21 seconds. We'll start by tacking the background layer, the first color, for 2 to 3 seconds, removing the backing right away. Glitter Flake also features a clear carrier, which makes alignment of foreground layers very quick and simple. Here we'll position the silver. The pressure-sensitive backing helps it hold to the shirt. We'll cover it with a cover sheet since the initial layer is going to be exposed directly to the heater. And we'll tack the second color for just a couple seconds to get it to hold temporarily in place. Now this isn't durable for the wash as a finished result right now, but we still need to add our third color, in this case light pink. We'll position that down, and when we heat press for this final time, everything is going to receive the full time, temperature, and pressure that Glitter Flake requires, which in this case is 330 degrees for 15 seconds. So if you're counting along at home, that's 2 to 3 seconds for the first color, 2 to 3 seconds for the second color, and 15 seconds for the final application, giving you a grand total of 19 to 21 seconds. It doesn't get much faster and easier than that. The same principle holds true for the fashion film material we showed you initially. Look at the finished result. Glitter Flake has a nice, brilliant sparkle. For our last example, we want to show you how to do a multiple color application all at one time where materials don't directly overlap. In this case, we've trimmed the heat transfer film's mylar very close to where the finished graphic is, allowing us to position everything into place at once. Now we'll be able to heat press everything together for the full recommended time, temperature, and pressure. This makes a 2 or 3 color application very fast and easy. You just have to think through the finished result in the graphic to see if you can press it all at once or if there's going to be overlapping layers. Once complete, remove the backing from each component. And we have another finished result, a multicolor application that was completed in 15 seconds. Thanks for watching our quick tutorial showing you how multicolor applications are simple with Stahl's CAD-CUT Direct heat transfer films. To try a sample of our industry-leading lightweight fashion film, visit stahls.com/ff-sample, or to try our hot-selling Stahl's Glitter Flake, visit stahls.com/gf-sample.